We are back again. Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 3. All right, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 3 for Eureka Math Squared. Now we are moved on a little bit. We still got some shapes. Now we're talking about this thing that says, for number one, says circle pairs of parallel lines. Oh, before I forget, we're on page 19 and page 20 today. Page 19 and page 20 today. I almost forgot. All right. Circle pairs of parallel lines. So parallel lines. What does parallel mean? So parallel lines will run on forever and never cross each other. So if you want to see if you think they're going to be parallel, just see if you can make the lines go a little longer. So let's take this line here, a little longer, here, a little longer, here, a little longer, and here, a little longer. Well, it looks like right there to me, these lines cross. So it means they're not parallel. I can take this one a little longer, this one a little longer. If you have a ruler at home, use your ruler if you want. Okay? I don't see those touching. I keep going. Oops. Keep going. This one a little longer. 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 Those don't look like they're touching either. And I can already see right here, those touch. So I'm going to circle this one. I'm going to circle this one. And I'm going to move on to question number 2. Number 2 says circle shapes with right angles. Remember, right angles are nice, exact angles. Like this one, this one, this one, this one. How I remember my right angle would be like the corner of this paper right here. So that's nice and neat. If you measured it, it would be a 90-degree angle. All right, if we were measuring the angles, which we don't get into in second grade, but I'm just letting you know, it's an exact corner. It goes up and comes straight over. It's a 90-degree angle. So just look like you're looking for the corner of the pages in here. It says circle shapes with right angles. So if any of them have right angles, you're going to circle them. Okay, I'm going to help a little bit on this one. I'm going to tell you a couple, maybe just one not to circle. So if you look on here, is there any chance that one of these has no angles? Remember, an angle is a corner. Do you see a shape on here with no corners? I'm going to say this one. I can't even draw an arrow straight right now. Maybe it's because I can't point at a corner because there isn't any. Okay? No right angles because there's no corners on this. Can't happen. All right. There's another one that doesn't have any right angles, but it has angles. There's actually, I'll give you a hint. You should circle 1, 2, 3 shapes on here, and you should not circle 3 shapes on here. That's the last hint I'm going to give. Remember, up here in this corner, this is a nice right angle. This angle right here. Nice and neat. Okay? Look at that, and look at the rest of these shapes. See which one goes there. All right, number 3. Draw the polygon and write its name. I have 4 right angles. I have 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, I'm going to help with this one, but only for a certain reason. Because it says 2 pairs of parallel sides. So when a side is parallel, that means it doesn't touch. Right? So if we want to look, and just do your best you can to draw. It doesn't have to be the best drawing. So 4 right angles, 1 right angle, 2 right angles, 3 right angles, 4 right angles. I drew 4 right angles. Okay? I have 2 pairs of parallel sides. Well, I'm going to show you a trick some people do. I'm going to put that mark there and that mark there. That means these are the same, so that's parallel. I'm going to put 2 dashes there and 2 dashes there. That means these are parallel. You can't use the same mark on all of them because then you're saying they're all the same, parallel with each other. And that's not going to work, all right? So this is parallel with this. This is parallel with this. So what am I? Well, this could be 2 different things, could it? Because look, I drew this in here. We'd all say this is a what? We'd say this is a square. But if you want to see something else, if I put a line here, 2 lines here, and 2 lines here. Look it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles, 4 right angles, 2 pairs of parallel. This one's parallel to here. This one's parallel to here. So that one's not a square, is it? All right. And both of these are what? These are both polygons. Right? So polygon has 4 sides. All right. I hope that helps on that one. Let's look at the back real quick. Add, show how you know. 54 plus 35. Do your place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. 35, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Gone. 35, we have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Gone. Finish. Put the rest of that. Put how many tens? Remember, if you need to, draw that out. Tens, ones. So you put that many ones down here, that many tens down here, and count. If you have more than 10, loop and move one over. If you don't, put your totals at the bottom. All right, hope that helps. That was Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 3, Lesson 3 homework help for pages 19 and 20 in your Module 3 homework book. All right, I hope this helps. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and most importantly, have a good night.